milk and honey with chamomile. There was no sickness it couldn't heal, or so I thought as I sipped it with my meal. Because of you, I read my songs. You knew I had it in me all along. At some point, those memories moved on to the hospital. At first, just some, and it was all sterilized with alcohol. We went for walks slowly in the leaves. You talk nonsense, minding the weeds. There were doctors, there were IVs, and then we sat silently and grieved. Because of you, I write my songs. You knew I had it in me all along. At that time, I thought this just was the way it is with the people you love. They'd come around, you do fun stuff, then they fly off on the wings of a dove. I still make tea, kettle tea, hoping that you'll come home to me. I dream of naps nestled in your knees. It was your love that set